Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Android looks so it can look like a an iPhone. It's pretty easy. I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to launch Google Play Store, and you're going to download something called Launcher iOS 17. And once you click on it, you're going to open it, and then you're going to set a bunch of different options. First, we're going to relaunch the application over here. As you can see, once I launch the application, it's going to start giving me an ad. Watch out for those ads, okay? And then you're going to skip the ad. Choose the language. I'm going to choose English, and then you're going to click on continue. You're going to see all the settings, and you're going to click on start. It's going to load an ad, of course. Okay, now once it loads an ad, you're going to close the ad. Okay, and as you can see, it's going to start preparing your home launcher. You're going to start preparing the launcher for the iOS 17, and it's going to tell you to set it as a default. Okay, home app. You're going to set it as a default home app, and now you have your Android looking like a an iPhone. Okay, as you can see over here, and you also have the app library all the way to the left over on the right over here, and you can actually set the lock screen you have a lock screen on your phone, just like an Android, just like an iPhone. So what you can do is that you're going to click on the lock screen iOS. Okay, and from lock screen iOS, you're going to do the following. You're going to give it all the permissions that it needs, which is the notification access. Okay, and then you're going to give it the phone allowed to make calls, and you're going to disable the system lock, which you're going to put first of all and then you're going to disable it. You're going to remove all your biometrics and stuff, and once you have it all, and once you've disabled the your system lock, your system lock. Now you're going to enable the notification access and then go back. Once you do this, you're going to have the lock screen, and then you're going to enable it. Put the passcode in. Now, of course, give me an ad. Okay, passcode, and you're going to click on use passcode. I'm going to put 4 5s. Okay, and this is going to be the password of my phone. Okay, and as you can see, once you have it, once if I click on can't power off the phone and screen record at the same time. So once you power off your phone, you're going to have the launcher on, and you can actually use the phone as an iPhone. It has a lock screen as an iPhone. You can check it out on yourself with yourself. So yeah, guys, this is basically how you can turn your Android into an iPhone. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And